This year's foldable smartphone competition is officially heating up, so let's check out everything that's new. Right from the start, the retail box catches your attention with its racing-inspired design on the front. The textured finish surrounding the punch-hole graphic gives it a distinctive look while keeping that familiar Honor style. Opening the box, the first thing that stands out is the brand new charger. Honor has finally introduced a 120-watt GAN USB Type-C charger with a completely redesigned appearance. Yes, Honor has finally made the switch to a Type-C charger, and it definitely feels like a welcome upgrade. There's also an 800 RMB gift package included, and inside we get the Red Rabbit Red protective case. The color instantly stands out with its festive look, and what's even better is that its texture perfectly matches the finish on the back of the phone.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The signature Honor camera module design is still here, and on the front, the phone continues to use a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Now let's talk about the memory variants, because there are a few important differences. The top-end Pomegranate Edition comes equipped with a dedicated 7150 mAh battery, along with Beidou and Microstar short message satellite support. All the remaining versions feature a 6850 mAh battery. Even so, it's great to see foldable phones finally reaching the 7000 mAh battery class, which is a huge step forward. The device shown here comes in the main Red Rabbit Red color. Honor uses an eco-friendly P-type material with a super nano-textured coating that delivers a premium French velvet-like feel. At the same time, it's designed to resist water, scratches, and corrosion. It feels soft and refined in your hand without becoming overly plush, and when light hits the surface, the velvet texture becomes incredibly clear. Honestly, it looks so good that you'll probably want to use it without a case. Honor even made the included case from the same material, which is a really thoughtful touch. Out of all the available colors, I would easily recommend the Red Rabbit Red version. If you ever get the chance, make sure to experience it in person, because this kind of texture is something you rarely see in the smartphone industry. Around the camera module, the curved design combined with a dynamic star trail pattern feels surprisingly familiar. It almost reminds me of another classic design. Sadly, that version is no longer around. We also get the well-known gold-engraved hinge texture that originally appeared on the Magic V3. In fact, the red color option first debuted with the V3, back when it featured a high-performance material. Compared to that generation, though, the V16 offers a much richer and premium texture. One of Honor's biggest strengths over the past couple of years has been making foldable phones incredibly thin and light. When unfolded, this device measures just 4 millimeters thick, making it even thinner than the iPhone Air. Folded, it's only 8.75 millimeters, which feels almost identical to a regular flagship smartphone, while remaining impressively lightweight. The biggest improvement on the new V9 has to be the display. For starters, the curved outer screen that Honor used from the original Magic V all the way through the V5 has finally been replaced with a flat panel. Personally, I think the flat design looks and feels much more premium. The bezels have also been reduced to just 1.18 millimeters, and compared to foldable phones from years ago, the difference in screen border thickness is immediately noticeable. The second major highlight is the brand new Supreme Black display technology. Honor uses an advanced 5600-layer silicon nitride film to achieve three key advantages with a single material. First, silicon nitride is extremely hard, giving the screen excellent scratch resistance. Second, its smooth surface greatly improves wear resistance. Third, it significantly reduces reflections. The anti-reflective performance is genuinely impressive. In fact, it performs noticeably better than the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro with its AR coating, and its reflectivity is very close to the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which is considered one of the best in the industry. Honor's approach, however, is different from both Apple and Samsung. Instead of using the same solution, it relies on tangential plasma treatment to create a denser and smoother surface, resulting in a mirror-like finish. Because of that, the outer display is durable enough that you can comfortably use it without applying a screen protector.
Now let's move on to the inner display. Honor has equipped it with its Superman UTG glass, which helps create a flatter surface with less visible creasing while delivering durability that's much closer to what you'd expect from a traditional flat-screen smartphone. The inner panel reaches a peak brightness of 1300 nits, while full-screen brightness can go all the way up to 2000 nits. Both the inner and outer displays support 4320 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming for a more comfortable viewing experience. Another highlight is the debut of Honor's new ADR display technology. It expands the dynamic range to an impressive 4 billion levels, allowing standard HD videos to look much closer to HDR quality. Honor has also included its Starry Sea HDR dynamic wallpaper, and honestly, every time the screen wakes up, it creates a really eye-catching visual effect. When it comes to charging, the bundled charger is labeled as 120 watts, but the phone itself actually supports up to 80-watt wired charging and 66-watt wireless charging. Even so, including such a powerful charger in the box is still a generous move that benefits users now and makes it useful for future devices as well. As for the cameras, there aren't any major upgrades compared to the previous V5, so I won't spend too much time covering them. Beyond that, the phone comes with IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance ratings. At the moment, it's the only foldable smartphone capable of surviving water depths of up to 4 meters without issues, while most competing foldables are typically rated for only 1 to 2 meters. Honor's waterproof engineering is definitely impressive. The hinge has also received another upgrade. Its yield strength has increased to 2300 compared to 2100 on the previous V5 generation. Simply put, a higher rating means better resistance against bending and stronger protection from impacts, making the hinge even more durable over time. Performance has been upgraded as expected, with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor powering the device. But what really deserves attention are the software improvements, especially the new 3-window multitasking feature. Normally, using split screen on a foldable means opening one app first, then dragging a second app alongside it. With Honor's new 3-screen mode, you can simply drag a third app into the same workspace, allowing 3 applications to stay open simultaneously. You can easily switch between them by tapping, although only 2 apps can be actively used at the same time. You also have the freedom to resize every window however you like, and if you maximize one app, the windows on the left or right automatically stack together, making multitasking much more organized. That's the first major feature. The second feature is the quick layout shortcut located in the lower right corner. From there, you can instantly launch your favorite apps, whether it's Bilibili, Zhihu, Taobao, or others, and arrange them directly into the 3-window workspace. It's a simple but very practical way to boost productivity. Another interesting addition is the new AI Intelligence Officer. For example, if you ask it to monitor international gold futures and send you updates every morning at 8 a.m., the AI Intelligence Officer option will automatically appear. Inside the settings, you'll find a More Settings menu where you can customize the notification time, choose how often updates are delivered, select the information category, and even personalize the cover image before saving everything. Once it's set up, the phone automatically sends those updates through the app every morning at your chosen time. The same feature also works for sports, where it can monitor events, provide injury reports, and let you customize notification schedules and delivery frequency. The AI Intelligence Officer supports an impressive range of topics, including finance, stock markets, technology news, industrial policies, manufacturing, supply chains, healthcare, sports, entertainment, and even trending gossip, making it a surprisingly versatile assistant. So, that's Honor's latest answer to the ultra-thin and lightweight foldable smartphone category. Looking at everything it brings to the table, this is arguably the strongest foldable phone released in 2026, and it's hard to disagree with that. That's everything for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!